An administrator must know how to safely isolate an infobase without abruptly disrupting business workflows during maintenance, updates, or backups. 3 tools make that possible: blocking new logins, terminating stuck sessions, and monitoring locks. Let's walk through each, one at a time. Inside the infobase settings, you can directly manage session blocking parameters. Set precise start and end times to dictate exactly when the maintenance window takes effect. Write a custom message. It displays as an error when a blocked user tries to connect. Define a permit code so you, the administrator, can bypass the block yourself. You can even choose to lock scheduled and background jobs entirely. Locking an infobase does not instantly kick everyone out. Existing sessions can keep working, even their background tasks keep running. But starting any new session or connection is completely prohibited until the window ends. It lets active users finish up, while keeping everyone else out. But what if you need to log in during the block to check a configuration change? Append the /UC parameter with your permit code to the connection string, and you bypass the block, granted exclusive access, while everyone else stays locked out. And remember, you can lock scheduled tasks the exact same way. When a user is finished but hasn't logged out, you have 2 options. Approach both with caution. Dropping a live connection can cost unsaved work. A user fires off an infinite loop, or a badly optimized script that hangs on the server. Interrupting the server call halts execution the moment it reaches the next line of code. Crucially, it does not kill the client application, supported for thin, web, and mobile clients alike. The user simply sees a message, your custom text, or a standard interruption warning. Deleting a session is a heavier action in 3 steps. The platform interrupts any active call, closes the connection, then purges the session ID. The next time that client talks to the server, it's cut off completely. Both of these actions require full cluster administrator privileges. When a runaway query is hammering the database, 1C tries to sever it on the DBMS side. On MS SQL Server, IBM DB2, or Oracle, with the right permissions, the query is killed. But here's the technical catch. PostgreSQL can't be force disconnected this way. The server simply takes no action and waits. When performance drops, it's usually locks. 1C gives you a transparent diagnostic view. Expand the locks branch. All lists every lock held. By session lets you drill into one user. Each entry documents the computer name, application ID, server port, and exactly when the lock was acquired. Locks fall into 2 categories. Infobase locks, a database-level lock, shared or exclusive, a configurator lock while metadata changes, and object-level locks. A cluster locks, the health of the cluster manager itself, each work process, and every individual connection. Together, they show you the full picture, from one user's data all the way to the cluster's health. Block safely, terminate carefully, and monitor your locks. Master these tools, and you can maintain high availability, update safely, and catch concurrency issues before they hurt the business.